Hey guys, it's John from Creative Tap. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to change eye color inside of Photoshop. Okay. Now the image I'm using is from pexels.com. The link will be in the description, and let's go and get started. Okay, so I'm going to delete my adjustment layer. There we go. Now this is similar to the teeth whitening tutorial, so check that out if you haven't seen it. But all I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new adjustment layer, hue and saturation. Okay, give that a click, and now if I start playing around with this, you can see it changes the color of everything, so it's a bit crazy. So I'm just going to bring it to here, okay, just so we can see a lot of difference in there. Then on this little icon by here, this little icon where my mouse is a layer mask. So if I select it and then hit Control I or Command I on a Mac, it actually inverts it. So where it's black, it's saying no pixels will be affected. So if I were to get white and start drawing white with this on this layer mask with this selected, you can see there's a white line through there, and now it's only affecting where I've drawn that white. Okay, so similarly what we're going to do is zoom into the eyes, get a brush, and we're going to come in like so and just start painting. Okay, so we're going to see where this hue and saturation layer is starting to affect. Okay, like so. Now I need to make my brush a little smaller to go across the top. There we go. Okay, and if you accidentally go out like that, all you need to do is switch these colors by hitting X and start painting black again where you want to hide it. Okay, and that's just on the layer mask. So that being said, let's jump across to the other eye with a larger brush and start painting in there like so. Now the nice thing about this, what people sometimes try to do is literally paint with the paintbrush a colour on top of the eye, but you lose all the reflections. You could use a blending mode. This is the proper way to do it. Okay, so now that I've done that, let's zoom out. Okay, now we got some options with the hue and saturation. If I move hue, let's put it back to 0. Okay, and it's on blue, but that's not because the eyes are blue. It just starts there in default. So if I take it across, we can start changing the color. Okay, so let's say we wanted to have red eyes. We can pick a red like so, and also make them more saturated, make them lighter or darker. Okay, so she looks quite evil there. So let's say we want to change it from, it was a blue, let's just say we want to change it to green. We can alter the saturation, it's a bit too saturated, and the darkness. Okay, so turn this on and off, and that's what you got going on. So that's how you change the eye color of someone's eyes with hue and saturation. Play around with the color, which is hue obviously, saturate or desaturate to alter the richness and then the lightness of the actual eyes. Okay, so you got loads of control in there. So I hope you enjoyed. We've got other retouching tutorials. There's one on whitening teeth, and 2 days from now there'll be one on blemish removal. So again, I hope you enjoyed, and hopefully see you in another tutorial. Cheers.